I have a Whirlpool refrigerator, model WRT318FZDM02, that is freezing food. I have replaced the thermistor and the main control board. It did not solve the problem. What should be my next step?
How old is your Whirlpool fridge?
2017.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
A couple of months. I made sure that the coils were clean, which they were. I replaced the thermistor and the main control board. Neither one of those repairs solved the problem.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. With my experience, there is an airflow problem in the returns in the freezer. The permanent fix for this is to remove the inside back wall of the, then use high temperature tape and cover 50% of the return holes on each side of the actual air duct.
Great. I'm wondering what my next step should be since the previous parts I replaced did not take care of the problem.
I've seen this and did this multiple times. The air is falling after it shuts off. This will prevent that from happening.
The inside back wall of the
freezer. Sorry, typo. In the floor of the freezer there are 3 holes. Cover of the left and right holes with high temperature tape.
freezer or refrigerator QLL. Wall.
Freezer.
Where can I buy high temperature tape?
At any hardware store. https://www.hamadepot.com/p/Nashua tape 25 in X60 yard 324A premium foil UL listed HVAC tape 1,207,794 100,048,600. It's foil tape.
Okay. I will give that a try. Sounds too simple.
The factory recommends it. It was design flaw.
Like what is used for AC ducts?
The same stuff.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You Have a Great Day. Please don't forget to rate me. You are welcome. Please give me a good rating. You may have to log into the app or JustAnswer.com to rate me.
Sure thing.
Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.